By the end of this century, the oldest person alive might never die, not because they're immortal in the mythical sense, but because technology finally breaks the biological limits of time itself. For thousands of years, humans have fought aging with herbs, prayers, surgeries, and serums, but aging always won. Now, AI believes that for the first time in history, humanity is on the edge of winning, and the victory won't come from medicine, but from data. To predict immortality, AI looks not at the human body but at the human code, every heartbeat, every neuron, every strand of DNA. It's all information. Once information can be perfectly read, it can be perfectly rewritten. Right now, scientists at places like Altos Labs, Rejuvenate Bio, and DeepMind Health are mapping the molecular processes of aging using AI models trained on petabytes of genomic data. These models can simulate how our cells age, how they repair, and how they fail. AI predicts that between 2045 and 2060, we'll reach the point where cell-level rejuvenation becomes reversible, meaning age could be edited like software. Imagine walking into a clinic not to treat disease but to reset your biological clock. Your 80-year-old body gets reprogrammed to be 25 again. You don't heal anymore, you simply reboot. This is the first version of immortality, biological renewal, but AI predicts a second, far more radical version. By 2085, human consciousness might be transferable, not just preserved in data, but experienced digitally. Neural scanning, quantum computing, and AI-driven consciousness models could allow minds to live in synthetic or virtual bodies. Death, as we know it, becomes a design choice. But immortality is not without paradox. If you can live forever, what happens to purpose? If nothing ends, what gives meaning? AI simulations of post-death societies show a surprising trend. When humans stop fearing death, creativity declines. Without mortality, urgency disappears. So, the AI predicts a balance, a world where some choose to remain mortal, to preserve meaning, while others become digital nomads of eternity. Some live in the physical world, others drift through infinite virtual realities. There's also the question of who gets to live forever. Will immortality be free, a human right? Or will it be owned by the few who can afford it, turning life itself into the ultimate luxury? AI models warn of a deep social divide by 2090. The naturals who remain organic and the eternals who transcend biology. Two human species, one bound by time, the other unbound, and between them an ethical frontier we've never faced before. AI says the end of death won't feel like victory, it will feel like evolution. We'll trade biology for code, memory for storage, and the fear of death for the burden of forever. And maybe, just maybe, immortality won't be about never dying, but about never being forgotten. So here's the question the AI leaves us with. If you could live forever, would you still want to? Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.